Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install an ENVATO theme in WordPress. Alright, so first up, under your ENVATO account, make sure that you download your theme under My Downloads right here. So just download it, and once done, go back to WordPress, and then go ahead over to the left panel and click on Appearance or hover over it. Now go ahead and click on Themes. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you got to go to the top right, click on Install New Theme. Alright, you'll have this option. You can click on it or just drag and drop the zip file that you just downloaded. So to drag and drop, for example, this one is your theme, or maybe this one, just go ahead and drag and drop it. All right. You won't be able to do it, or you won't be able to upload themes if you just have the free version of WordPress. And make sure that you upgrade your account. So once that's done, just basically click on Install Now. You'll have that button in here. And after that, you'll be given an Activate button. Well, just click on it and follow simple prompts. Once that's installed, it may ask you to enter your ENVATO purchase code. If not, well, you're good to go. If it asks you, right, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to your ENVATO account, click on your profile, and then My Downloads, go ahead and select the theme, click on View Licenses, and then you'll be able to see a code right here. It could be named License Certificates and Purchase Code. Just copy the text. Once copied, go back to WordPress right here, and just all you got to do is just paste this code into the Themes Registration tab under your theme section right here. Okay, let's say this one. It will say register, and there you have it. That is how you install an ENVATO theme in WordPress. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.